Hey everyone, this is Cincy, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite snacks, which is a fresh, healthy version of a deep fried spring roll. And guess what? It is super easy. So here, instead of using high calorie refined flour, we're going to use rice paper wrappers. Now you can find rice paper wrappers online or in many grocery stores. Plus, the spring rolls are packed with fresh veggies. So you're gonna get a good dose of vitamins and minerals. So let's get started.